Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today this is my third video, and then we're gonna review our fish pan, my fish pan, and then it's really cool. And then it's big. We have bigger and smaller, and so little smaller. And then this is, and we're gonna go down after this. Guys, nandito na kami sa aking fish pan. So, let's go! Malapit na tayo ang ating pan. Show you now. Let's go! Now, once we're gonna go near the biggest fish. It's big now. Last time now, smaller pa siya. Sure na, I see.
Ay nga.
Meron na pa dito na it's colorful. And then it's
Pero ano siya dire? Muulit, next week pa itong ano.
dito. And guys, ito ay maganda na malaki yan, malaki ganyan. At ito naman mga smaller ones. Hindi